How are we still going? How are we still going?
The worst part.
Okay, Google, stop. Sorry for the lighting, it's 4 a.m. right now, but good morning, MWG family. Welcome to today's vlog. Just forgetting about the 9th grade class trip as the title right now. Let's talk about last vlog on March Madness when all the brackets were revealed. As of right now, after just one day of March Madness, there's only 500 brackets out of the 14 million brackets filled out that are perfect. My brackets completely destroyed with the Loyola Chicago over Miami, which I mean, I kind of wanted Miami to go to the Sweet 16, but they're not going to do it, and it's just kind of a heart-wrenching buzzer beater. Let me roll that for you.
At the line this season, first free throws today. Missed it. Here they come. One timeout, they don't take it.
But forgetting about March Madness, today is the 9th grade class trip, and we're about to go on the 4-hour luxurious journey in the bus to Busch Gardens and Tampa. I've never been to Busch Gardens and Tampa before, so it's going to be a new experience for me. It's probably going to be the same as Orlando, but Busch Gardens, it's going to be different. Never been there, never even been on the rides, really don't know any of the major rides. But I'm sure going to find that out today, and I'm going to bring my GoPro harness so I'm going to get that amazing footage. Let's get on this amazing 4-hour journey. I mean, it's 4 a.m. right now, so everyone's going to be asleep, except for me because I want to sleep at 6 o'clock so I can get my 9 hours of sleep. We're officially in Busch Gardens. Yes! It's a little chilly, it's around like 50 degrees, but you know, it's gonna warm up during the day to a nice 75 degrees. And it's not gonna matter, but we're officially in Busch Gardens. Absolutely, I've never been here. This is the map. I have no idea what rides are good and what rides are bad. But we're going on all of them.
God bless.
You see this ride right here? Not that, but all the way up to the top. That's what we're riding first, and it's called Falcon's Fury. I'm a little scared. First ride of the day, and then after we could finally eat some breakfast because I haven't eaten yet, and I woke up at 4. Here we go. What do I hold on to? Oh my. We're actually in Busch Gardens. We're actually in Busch Gardens right now.
Oh, you're an athlete. Roberto! Ah! We got a long way to go, buddy.
Oh my. Oh my, first ride. First ride.
Oh my god.
Robbie! Ah! Oh! Look at the view. Look at the view. Whoa, what is that roller coaster right there that's broken down? Oh, I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready. Ah! Ah! I don't want to die. I don't want to die. How much more do we have to go? Look, I'm a human drone. Look, it's panoramic view. Oh my gosh. How are we still going? How are we still going?
The worst part.
Oh! Oh my GoPro!
Jump on! I survived. I'm not dead. Eureka part 1. What time is it?
It's 11:25.
You guys in for the ride of your life.
Oh, that 90-degree drop. It's a tease because of that.
Bro, look down at the floor. Look at that view.
Here we
go. On your mark, get set. Ready, set.
Oh.
Yeah, I forgot about this part.
Oh my. Another one?
Just ate some wonderful lunch, and that right there is Cheetah.
The fastest ride here, and we're about to ride it. Here, oh my sunlight! Yes. Oh!
That was fast.
Haven't seen sunlight in a while. Whoa!
That was good. How did you get over there?
Here's the drop. Here, oh my! Not done yet. Ooh, water. Oh, that's good. This is like the famous one, right?
We just completely realized that we're about 45 minutes late to the bus. We're not staying the whole entire time.
We're supposed to be already on the bus. Ah, man, we're not gonna stay for the sunset. Here we go. We're running, but we don't know where we are. You know what? This feels like a good ending to the vlog. Yes, I made the bus, and now it's 10 o'clock. We're back in Miami, no longer Tampa. But what a day. I think 8th grade takes the cake. I think 8th grade was better than this year, but this year, it was a ton of fun. A lot more roller coasters, that was for sure. Just make sure you like the video, smash that notification bell to stay notified whenever I post a video. And I'll see you in the next one, or maybe next year.